A very good morning to all of you. Let us continue the chapter. The next element of weather and climate is humidity and precipitation. The atmosphere contains moisture in the form of water vapor, which on condensation provides us water in various forms. This water is vital for survival of life on the earth. The sun's heat causes moisture from oceans and lakes to evaporate into the air, forming water vapor. The actual amount of water vapor present in the air at a point of time is termed as humidity. High temperature causes rapid evaporation. This results in higher humidity in the atmosphere. The warm air has more capacity to hold moisture. The air becomes saturated, reducing the rate of evaporation. As a result, the weather becomes sticky and oppressive. Cold air cannot hold much moisture. As the water vapor rises, it cools and condenses into tiny water droplets. They form clouds. Clouds are visible masses of moisture in the troposphere, made up of tiny ice crystals or water droplets. They are so light that they float. The three main types of clouds are cirrus, like curl of white hair, cumulus, like heap of cotton, and stratus, long flat layers. If the clouds continue to absorb more and more moisture, they become saturated, and the water droplets in the clouds become bigger and heavier until they can no longer float. They come down to the earth's surface as various forms of precipitation, snow, hail, sleet, or rain. Snowfall occurs in colder areas in form of feathery flakes. Hail occurs as pellets. When water vapor cools very rapidly, it rises up due to fast rising convectional currents and fall down on earth. Sleet is a mixture of rain and snow. The most common form of precipitation is rainfall. Rainfall is precipitation in liquid form as tiny drops of water of various sizes. It provides us fresh water, vital for survival of living beings. It is the main source of groundwater. Based on the mechanism of their formation, rainfall can be classified into three types: convectional rainfall, rainfall, and cyclonic rainfall. Let us know about these different types of rainfall. First of all, convectional rainfall. When the Earth's surface gets heated up, warm air currents rise along with water vapor to higher levels within the troposphere. Cool air from above comes and takes its place. The process continues as the air at the surface gets heated again. A circular motion of ascending and descending air currents is formed. As the warm moist air cools on reaching height, water vapor condenses and comes down to earth as convectional rainfall. They are accompanied by thunder and lightning. The second type of rainfall is relief rainfall. Relief or orographic rainfall is caused by effect of relief or orography of the land on the moisture-laden winds. Relief rainfall is caused when a mountain or highland lies in the path of moisture-laden wind. As the moist air strikes the higher relief or landform, it rises up. because there is no way to pass it because of that mountain. So it rises up, expands, cools down, and bring rainfall only on the side of the upland to which it strikes. This side is known as windward side, and the side that is devoid of rainfall is known as leeward side. You can see here the picture of relief rainfall. The side where rainfall occurs, this is called windward side, and the side which is devoid of the rainfall, this is known as leeward side. Now the next or third type of rainfall is cyclonic rainfall. Cyclonic rainfall is caused when warm and cold air masses converge, means mix with each other. As the name suggests, it is associated with cyclones in the tropical regions and depressions in the temperate westerly belt region. Winds coverage converge towards, you can see here a picture of cyclonic rainfall. Because of that, flood occurs. The low pressure center. The lighter warm air rises up and climbs over the cold air that stays close to the surface. The boundary between the warm lighter air and cold heavier air is called front. As the warm moisture laden air rises up along the front, cooling and condensation takes place, resulting in rainfall for a number of days until the cyclone weakens. So, sometimes it causes flood. Here you can see a satellite image of a cyclone. So, this chapter is over. In the next class, we will do the exercises. Thank you. Have a good day.